The Endurance Cup of the Rental Kart World Contest was the grand finale of 3 days of karting passion, held at the Sette Laghi circuit in Castelletto di Branduzzo, Italy. With 35 teams, over 130 drivers, and 15 different nationalities, the Endurance Cup was contested with a fleet of CRG Centurion karts assigned to teams by draw over a 6-hour race distance. In the pro category, the Polish team Barch Racing triumphed, with drivers Mateusz Barch, Igor Polak, and Jakub Panciszyn. Just 23 seconds behind, after a race run at an extremely high pace, the SMO team, Michele Ottini, Diego Colella, and Adrian Speroni, claimed second place. On the third step of the podium were the young drivers of Keystone 1, Alessio Zacchi, Simone Grasso, and Thomas Petrulli. Xena karting team also delivered an excellent performance, finishing fourth ahead of Keystone 2 and the second Polish team, Barch Racing Academy. Among the pro teams, Hungarian Soproni team had a solid race, ending seventh ahead of Mata Racing 1 and Tektav Racing.
Hello, Matt here. We are from Barch Racing. We win this event of the 6 hours race. We have a very nice feeling, very good organization, very nice preparing for the go-karts. CRG, well done. Thank you and see you next year.
I also want to say thank you to the all staff and all mechanics that do the great job with the go-karts and all the preparation and all the things like, communication as the things, because it was really good this weekend and it was like almost in the time everything, so it was perfect organization. So thank you so much for the CRG for this event.
I want to say thank you for the race and all. The cars was good. The race yesterday was good, and thank you for invite to CRG event.
In the silver category, Thunderbolt Zenith shone, with Edoardo Censi, Marco Testa, and Mattia Corbetta taking the category win and the fastest lap. In second place, the British team Mad Dog Racing, Ollie Cooper, Charles Boniface, and Carlos Elmanis put in a remarkable performance ahead of another Thunderbolt squad led by project founder Flavio Cecchi.
Parto ringraziando CRG per l'evento, che è stato molto bello, molto partecipato e quindi interessante anche per il livello altissimo. Sono contento del nostro risultato, ma con due compagni così veloci era facile e a me è bastato guardarli. C'è un po' di rammarico perché avevamo il passo dei pro, ma va benissimo così, siamo super felici, quindi ringraziamo ancora CRG per l'organizzazione.
Felicissimo, non posso che essere più fiero dei miei compagni di squadra. Mi ha fatto una gara stupenda, sia dalla partenza che per tutte le 6 ore. Box giusti, istinti giusti, non posso dire niente. L'organizzazione è molto bella. Ringraziamo ancora lo staff di CRG e ancora non ci crediamo, penso che nessuno dei tre ci creda ancora. Grazie.
Sì, anche io faccio i complimenti a CRG, che come sempre nelle ore 20 si parte in orario, che non è una cosa scontata. Il kart era una bomba, a livello telaistico era bellissimo da guidare. Non speravamo in questo risultato perché all'inizio abbiamo avuto un po' di difficoltà, ma Marco Angeletti ci ha dato assistenza e poi siamo riusciti a avere il nostro passo, non fare errori e abbiamo portato a casa il risultato.
The 2025 Rental Kart World Contest proved once again to be a major success, both organizationally and competitively, confirming its place among the most prestigious international rental kart events. The Sette Laghi circuit once again proved to be the perfect venue for such races, but the real stars remain the CRG Centurion karts, offering drivers top-level performance and exceptional reliability. For all fans of rental karting and CRG Centurion, the next season is already scheduled. In March, the 24 Hours Karting of Italy returns, and in October, it will be time for the 2026 World Contest. For full results and all information on rental CRG events, visit kartcrg.com.